Hello there, I am Matthew, and welcome to the channel where we get to hold each other by the hands as we embark on a body transformation challenge, thereby helping us achieve the body shape that we desire and live a healthy life. Today marks day one of our body transformation challenge, so I want you all to do me a favor. Take a picture of your body as it is right now because we'll be needing them at the end of the first 30 days for comparison. So click the red subscribe button below this video, click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Ensure you like this video, leave a comment letting me know what you think about today's workout and which workout you prefer or you love the most. Now, the workouts we'll be doing today rather, are jumping jacks, 60 seconds of jumping jacks, 20 reps of knee raise and touch crunches, 30 seconds of side step shuffle, 30 seconds of mountain climbing, and 20 reps of push-ups. Now, let's get into today's workout proper.